So today we have a plan to change the timing chain on this engine. So I'll take the engine cover off, maybe I'll change some gaskets, maybe I'll change some gaskets in the oil. So now we have the engine cover off. We have fixed the timing kit tools in front and the back for the both camshaft, intake and exhaust. And so we finished everything. We took it out everything from the engine to do the timing chain. We took out even the crankshaft seal, where I will replace. So after half a day here we are. Just tight the bolt, the crankshaft bolt, as it must. It's quite strong job here. So it's almost evening. I think I finished with the timing chain. Everything seems to be okay. Now before I put the valve cover up, I have to change the gaskets. So we are on the next day. We are changing the old gasket in the oil filter housing. As you see, it's very brittle, it's breaking apart. I will use both hands. So we have new oil in. We finish to put the oil pan gasket. Obviously that's why we have the new oil in. Yesterday night we just put the new gaskets. I have the control arms off. Anyway, I need only this rubber boot, but I can't take the tie rod out from this side. So I think we almost finished the job. I did the subframework, tie rods,